What's going on, guys? Today on Revo's Garage, I still got some painting to do. My gasket kit showed up, so we can actually start putting the motor together, and yeah, so let's get to work. Stick around.
Papa says you rev it up and dump her.
Before we get going, guys, if you like the video, consider subscribing. It would really help. And put a like down there. If you guys have any comments or suggestions about anything, just go ahead and put them in the comments section below. Let's get going. All right, guys, let's just hop right into it. So first up on the list is the oil pan. Now I have another oil pan. It's already painted black, but it's, you know, it's kind of used, so it's got some scratches, much like this. And I don't know, this one came with the motor, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this one up and prime it, paint, all that good stuff, and it'll look like new. Yeah. All right, I'm going to hit it up my wire wheel first, and then we'll go from there. You go get my safety glasses and gloves and stuff like that, because we all know that these things turn into flaming, piercing projectiles. Flaming, piercing projectiles. Flaming, piercing projectiles. I'm going to hop onto the front cover. This is the front cover I'm going to be using. It's aluminum. It's awesome. It's solid. I love aluminum. I'm gonna pop this seal out. I got a brand new seal, and I'm gonna scuff this up, polish it, put a new seal in it, and that should be ready to go. Alright, next up on the list is the intake manifold. It's a brand new intake. I was trying to decide which intake manifold I was going to use. I had a choice of 3. This is the newest one. So I'm going to be using this one. Hopefully we can get all this paint off. Hopefully.
So he goes in there, and there's fucking Shorzy doing fucking murders. He's going back and forth. He's fucking, and he's hitting the side, and he's fucking skating as fast as he can. He hits the side, and like, you see him, and Wayne's just looking at him like this. She goes, yeah, he's been doing this for like 12 hours now. He goes, the fucking guy's got a rock solid work ethic. I like him.
So that's going to do it for this episode of Revo's Garage, guys. I couldn't be happier how the parts came out. I mean, it's a lot of work, yeah, but I'm really happy with the results. So next time, we're going to go ahead. We're going to start putting this stuff on that motor. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys later.